Let's get this party started. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will test together the primer water by Smashbox, and this is a 3-in-1 face primer and setting spray that hydrates, preps and refreshes skin. It is formulated without parabens and phthalates. Also, it is suitable for any skin type, and I will use it today on my dry and sensitive skin. And also it is silicone free, alcohol free and oil free, and also cruelty free and vegan. I will use it as a primer and also as a setting spray only on half of my face to see if we have any difference, because I don't usually use setting sprays in my makeup routine and I want to see if it works as a setting spray. After the wear test I will spray again to see if it melts with my foundation or we have any weird patches. We will see. I will also do some check-ins and a wear test at the end of the video, and without further ado, let's get started with the review. On the Sephora website, it says that this is a solution for dryness, dullness and uneven texture. So I have dullness and dryness, so we will see if this works. This is 30 milliliters and I got mine from the Prime Set Go Value Set by Sephora, and I will link down below my Sephora haul to see what else I got. This set is not available anymore, but keep your eyes open and always search for value sets on the Sephora website. This is what I always do, and if I find something good I will grab it immediately, because you save a lot of money with the value sets. Let's get this party started. So you hold the bottle 25 centimeters away from your face, and I will first use it as a primer. And I always look very ridiculous when I use setting sprays or sprays on my face. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Oh, it doesn't start. Why? Oh, I think I applied enough as a primer. So I think the mist is not very fine. Let's see again. No, it's very fine. Ooh, it's very nice, actually. Oh, wait, sometimes I have drops of liquid. Girls just wanna have fun. I will just try to make it dry. So as I see now, it gives a glowy effect on the skin. It looks like my skin is very healthy. I think now, yeah, it is starting to getting drier. So with setting sprays, you need to invest in a fan too. Or you can just find any flyers you have on your desk. I feel that now it is not wet on my skin. Yeah, it is not wet, and it is sticky. It gives an illuminating effect on my skin, and it is glowy. It is like a healthy glow. It doesn't have a scent. And I will continue with my foundation. For foundation, I will use the 24 Infallible Matte by L'Oreal, and also I will mix it with the Makeup Transformer Drops by Catrice in Lightening. And I mix it on the back of my hand. I will apply my foundation with my Real Technique sponge. It was very easy to apply my foundation, and for concealer I will use the Fit Me Concealer by Maybelline in the shade 10. And this concealer is almost empty. My concealer also blended very easy into my foundation. And let's move on to the powder. I will use translucent powder by Laura Mercier, and I will apply it with the powder brush by Morphe. For a very weird reason, my nose looks very nice, and the last couple of days it is very dry and anything that I apply on top of it is patchy, but today it is very smooth. I believe this is from the primer water. I had no problem applying my contouring, my blush and my highlighter. My skin looks very smooth and it looks very nice. I don't have any weird patches of dryness. Until now, I'm very impressed with the primer water. For my eyes, I have used the Smashbox Cover Shot Ablaze Eye Palette, and you can see the eye makeup in my Faves and Hates of April. I will use it now as a setting spray only on half of my face, so we can see throughout the day if you have any difference between the two sides of my face. Is this 25 centimeter? No idea. Okay, let's do this. Okay, I'm alive. I will try to fan it out again. I hope that it's not sticky again. Oh yeah, my baby hair are going places today. On this side that I have applied the setting spray, my skin looks more radiant and this side looks more matte. And I like both sides until now. Looking good. My skin is not sticky. Hi guys, it's been almost 10 hours and let's see what happened with the primer water. I forgot to do a check-in because I was editing my April's Faves and Hates video. And welcome to the final wear test. I will zoom you so you can see all this glory. As we can see, I have a very glowy finish all over my skin. I don't have any weird patches of my foundation. Only on the tip of my nose I have a patch, and I'm not very sure if I touched something or it is the primer water with the foundation and the powder. Something that I have noticed is that my foundation didn't set in the fine lines on my forehead and also around my mouth, and most of the times that happens and I am okay with it. But today that I have used the primer water, my skin looks very smooth. I don't see a difference between the two sides of my face. I am glowy on both sides, so it doesn't make a lot of difference if I use it as a setting spray, but I like it as a primer. The primer water gives a glowy, radiant finish, so maybe this is why on this side I look glowy, and maybe on this side I look glowy also because of the primer. My foundation has lasted almost 10 hours and that's very nice, and it looks very nice except my nose. I think I am a little bit more sticky on this area that I haven't applied the primer. The difference is very small. Basically my skin looks very healthy and glowy and I like it. I like it as a primer. As a setting spray, I'm not 100% sure if it works because it gives a glowy finish. I will also apply a layer of the primer water all over my face to see how it blends now with my foundation after almost 10 hours of wearing my face makeup. I have applied a generous amount of primer water also on my hair. Oh my god! It feels very nice on the skin, so it didn't change the finish of my skin. I still look glowy. It refreshes the skin and it feels so nice when you apply it. And even now that the primer water is dry on my skin, I feel revitalized and very nice. It is very lightweight on the skin and comfortable. My skin looks glowy, healthy, moisturized, and I like that. I don't know if I would use it to refresh my makeup through the day. I'm not used to have setting sprays in my purse, but I really like it as a primer. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you want me to test more setting sprays, and also let me know in the comments below if you have already tested the primer water by Smashbox and if you like it. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and I will see you in my next video. Bye!